Now that the body's attached, we're ready to begin the antenna part of the process. We can use a regular pipe cleaner, which gives you pretty much the same effect. We're just going to bend it and curl it out. I like these pipe cleaners. These are kind of frequent around the holidays, but you can find them in a local craft store. We're going to bend these up, curl them around. You can really do anything with them. They could be straight out if you wanted. They can curl. Just like that. Another way to show the kids how to curl them is to straighten them again and wrap them around their finger. So we're going to wrap it around, keep it nice and loose, and then sort of pull it out like this. If you don't have a pipe cleaner, we can use tin foil, and it works almost the same way. You're just going to take a strip of tin foil, roll it up, and this is something that the kids can do. It doesn't have to be done perfectly. Keeping it kind of loose, we want like a long snake shape. And we're going to do the same thing that we did with the pipe cleaner by bending it in the middle and curling them around.